tanggap naman kayo, kaya wag nyo na i-dominate ang Women's Month. Correction, you don't accept us, you tolerate us. Because if tanggap nyo talaga kami, then you wouldn't see us as dominating.
Well, this is a stupid argument. What's wrong with tolerance? Diba? What's wrong with tolerance? Ngayon, yung tolerance, binabaliktad nyo as masama para yung pagiging dominating nyo, which is, by the way, getting everything that you ask for. Kasi pag hindi, imamas nyo as homophobic, transphobic, so on and so forth. Diba? Well, this is Pinoy Extreme, and pag-uusapan natin yung sinasabi nila about, mga hanas nila sa buhay. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Because the only reason why you think that we're dominating is because you see us as invaders.
And why won't we? You are entering worlds that you should not be entering. Like for example, sports competition sa woman. Again, yung mga lalaki na sumasali sa women's division, dinodominate yung mas mahihinang mga kalahok doon tulad ng totoong babae. Bakit? Again, katulad nga dun sa naunang post ko, mas malalakas ang mga lalaki kesa sa mga babae. And that's basic biology because of our testosterone. And again, how can you argue with that?
Because it all boils down to you don't see trans women as women. Huwag na kayo dito, may Pride Month naman kayo. So sinasabi ba natin na ang mga queer women, lesbian women, bisexual women shouldn't celebrate Women's Month because they're part of Pride Month?
Well, sino may sabing hindi? At the end of the day, they are still women. And it's Women's Month. Diba? So, wag mong again, ibase yung pag-celebrate based sa kung ano yung gusto nilang isipin na gender nila. Again, it's supposed to be about women. And regardless kung ano yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, if pasok ka sa definition ng women, then by all means, 'di ba? You are included on what is the celebration for the month.
Dapat ba namimili lang ng celebration? They are two different celebrations and for two different causes, but are closely knit together. So pati ba mga mothers, because they have Mother's Day na, so they shouldn't celebrate International Women's Day on March 8th? Doesn't make sense.
Well, that's not what we mean. Again, kung pasok ka dun sa dalawa, 'di ba? O sige, tatluhin pa natin. You are a teacher, you are a mother, you are a woman. Then you could celebrate all three. Ngayon, wag niyong isiksik yung mga sarili nyo by inserting the definition of a woman doon sa mentalidad nyo na tingin nyo lang babae kayo and well, may ibang tao na nag-a-agree sa'yo, babae na kayo. That's not what we mean. Again, there is a solid definition of what is a woman.
Ang Women's Month ay para sa totoong babae lang. Sorry, but trans women are real women.
No, I'm sorry, but I have to disagree. Trans women are men who think they are a woman. And again, that's fine. By all means, think of whatever you want to be. But do not expect all of the people na makikisali sa kung paano kayo mag-isip. Yun na nga yung tolerance na binigay namin. Sige, fine. Dress however you want. 'Di ba? But if doon sa actions nyo, may ibang tao kayo na gustong sumali, then ayaw nung tao na yon, then that would be unfair to them. 'Di ba? Doon na nagtatapos yung karapatan nyo maging kung ano man kayo. Pag pinilit nyo na yung ibang tao na umakto doon sa kung ano man yung gusto nyo.
Yes, we are not biological women. We never claim to be biological women, but we are still women.
What is a definition of a woman? 'Di ba? Yun lang eh. Wag niyong ilusot yung ganyang klaseng thinking by, woman is like an umbrella term. don't give us that kind of excuse. That's not going to work. So, di ba, pag sumugod yung China, sabi nyo, I can't go to war because, you know, I identify myself as a woman.
Manganak muna kayo, magkaregla muna kayo bago nyo masabi sarili nyo na babae kayo. Yes, it's true, trans women will never be able to experience this, and so will some other cis women.
Well, the reason why they're not going to experience that is, of course, has something to do with nature. Malay mo, may PCOS sila at kung anong medical condition. But yung sa inyo kasi, you are not experiencing it because, again, you are not in nature of being or having those kinds of conditions na sinasabi nyo, katulad ng panganganak, pagre-regla, at kung ano-ano pang mararamdaman lang ng biological women.
Just because these women will not be able to experience these struggles or experiences that some women may encounter doesn't dismiss or negate their womanhood.
Well, yes, because again, ang basihan pa rin ng pagiging woman ay yung biological structure ng katawan nila regardless kung ano yung medical condition nila. 'Di ba?
Don't call me cis woman. I am a woman. I am a biological woman. Cis is just an antonym of trans. It's not an insult. It's not a slur. The only reason why you would think it's a slur is because you treat trans as a slur as well, when it shouldn't really be an insult. The same way that when someone calls me trans, it's not an insult. It's just who I am. Cis means at the same side and trans is on the other side.
So just like how women is on the other side and how men is on the other side too. 'Di ba? That's as basic as that.
Technically speaking, if you're cisgender, you're assigned sex at birth and your gender identity aligns, while transgender naman is the opposite. Again, not an insult, but it is concerning why you would think it's an insult, and maybe that's because you see trans people or trans as an insult. Trans women are trans women, kaya nga may trans. Kung women lang, o di sana walang trans. That is the whole point why there is a space between trans and woman, because trans is an adjective that describes the noun, which is woman.
And that space that you are talking about is the difference between a male and the female, a man and a woman. No amount of adjectives would change the nature of your gender. You could think whatever you are. You could even think that you are an animal, a wealthy person, so on and so forth. But, you know, that doesn't change reality as it is.
It's not one word, it's trans space woman, because trans is short for transgender. The same with cis woman, cis is short for cisgender. Wow! I can go on and on about the comment section dun sa video ko. One thing is clear, if we sum it all up, the only clear messaging is you don't accept us, you tolerate us, and you don't see trans women as women.
And us not seeing you as real women is not an oppression, it is not misogyny, and it's not an abuse. We are just aligned on what is the reality, and we are not here to play yung gusto nyong mangyari. Hinahayaan namin kayo, but it doesn't mean na dapat kaming makisali doon sa ilusyon, doon sa make-believe na isa kayong totoong babae. And you could always give respect to people like transgender without drowning yourself in the illusion that they are a real woman. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.